Wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. This is the forever that's supposed to be. Everything is perfect when you're holding me, cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view.
Yeah, I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger, stronger than I was before. Stronger than I was before. So what's the problem? I got mine, you got yours, everybody's got them. I'm just saying, for your information, you ain't gonna get an explanation. You won't. And I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger than I was before. Yeah, I know that I fell for it in the past, but now I'm stronger, stronger than I was before. Stronger than I was before. Baby, that's it all.
let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't wanna talk this out. And I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can this be different, or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind?